In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more symbols in Smartsheet. Symbols are a great way to make information easier to scan and standardize, whether you're tracking status, priorities, or progress. We'll walk through where to find them and how to apply the right symbol set to a column so your sheet is clearer and more consistent. Start on the Smartsheet homepage. If you're starting fresh, you can create a new project here. Otherwise, you can open something you've already been working on. You'll see a suggested section that highlights recent and relevant items, which can be a quick way to jump back in. If you don't see the sheet you need, switch over to All Workspaces. This shows everything you have access to, organized by workspace. Click into the workspace that contains the sheet you want to update, then open that sheet. Once the sheet is open, decide which column should display symbols. This is usually a status, priority, or progress column. Right-click the column header to open the context menu, then choose Column Properties. This is where you control how the column behaves. In the Column Properties window, look for Column Type. Change this to Symbols. This tells Smartsheet that the cells in this column should display a visual set of icons instead of plain text. You'll also see an option labeled Limit to Symbol Values Only. Turn this on if you want to restrict entries in this column to the selected symbols. Enabling it helps keep data clean by preventing free-form typing that doesn't match your chosen symbol set. If you want flexibility to type alongside symbols, leave it off. Next, choose a symbol style. Pick the set that matches your workflow. Think status indicators, directional cues, or progress visuals. Select the one that will be most intuitive for the people using your sheet and the reports you plan to build. Consistency is key here. Using the same symbols set across similar sheets makes rollups and dashboards easier to understand. When you're happy with the selection, click Apply. Your column now uses symbols. Back in the grid, click a cell in that column to select from the available icons. If you enabled the limit option, you'll see only the valid symbol choices, which helps prevent mismatches and errors. If you need to adjust later, just return to Column Properties and update the symbol set or toggle the limit option. That's it. You've added more symbols to your Smartsheet and set up a cleaner, more visual way to manage your data.